What's going on, guys? So today we're in the shop. We got Billy Jack's car on the dyno. We're gonna start doing a little tuning on it. We're gonna be on pump gas first. We'll just try to keep it probably around 10 pounds, and then after that we'll go to a blended fuel with 116 and 93, and then we will see what that makes. And then we'll drain all that out and put straight 116 in it and really turn the boost up. So stick around with us and enjoy the ride. What's going on, guys? We're in the shop back from vacation, and we finally just finished up the red Challenger. It's fully built 426, got twin turbo setup we built on it, turbo 400 swap. We've lit it from the front bumper to the back bumper on this car, and it's finally finished. So we're gonna kind of do a quick run through, show you some of the stuff we put on it. You really can't see the turbos because they're kind of hidden behind the bumper. You can see the intercooler, see where the downpipes come out. So yeah, we're gonna run through that real quick. So I'm sure if anybody's watched most of the videos, you know, they'll know. Custom fuel tank, 3.5 inch inlet tube to the throttle body, tile blow off valve. It's on CO2 boost control, so all the solenoids and stuff are on. Vacuum block right there. Kind of see the intercooler right there. You know, exhaust out the bumper. Inside, pretty basic, except we have our Turbo 400. Let it focus. Turbo 400 shifter. Got our switches, which turns our boost controller on, trans brake on. So yeah, we've finally been to where we can get this thing finished. So stay tuned. We're gonna have a lot of videos and stuff on it. So thanks.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out our website.